Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
To replace filter 2, locate your water filter cover in the upper right-hand corner inside the refrigerator. Next, pull open the filter door. Pull the filter so it's angled down. Turn it to the left and pull. Discard the old filter. Open your new filter and remove the protective coverings from the O-rings. When inserting the new filter into the filter slot, make sure the arrow is pointing upward. As you push in, the filter will begin to rotate. Turn the filter clockwise until it locks. Push the filter door closed so it snaps into place. Once your filter is replaced, run 4 gallons of water through the line to properly flush the new filter.